Hey, it's Kerry. I'm featuring big cats and Indian wild animals today. Asiatic lion. The colour and development of manes in male lions varies between regions, among populations and with the age of the lion. In general, the Asiatic lion differs from the African lion by having a less developed mane. The manes of most lions in ancient Greece and Asia Minor were also less developed and did not extend to below the belly, sides or ulnas. They once prowled from the Middle East to India. Now only a fraction of these magnificent animals survive in the wild. The Gharial Forest dry teak woods were once a royal hunting ground. Today, they are a reserve where these at-risk big cats are heavily protected. Asiatic lions and African lions are subspecies of the same species. This lion population has steadily increased since 2010. The lion is one of 5 pantherine cats inhabiting India, along with the Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, snow leopard and clouded leopard. Clouded leopard is a wild cat occurring from the Himalayan foothills through mainland Southeast Asia into southern China. The underparts of the body and the legs are spotted, and the tail is marked by large, irregular paired spots. The small Indian civet occurs in most of India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam and south and central China. The Burmese python is the 3rd largest snake in the world. The largest examples can measure up to nearly 20 feet in length. The Indian peafowl is a peafowl species native to the Indian subcontinent. It has been introduced to many other countries. The gharial is also known as the fish-eating crocodile. They have a distinct boss at the end of the snout, which resembles an earthenware pot known as a gara. The gaur is also called the Indian bison. It is the largest extant bovine. It is native to South and Southeast Asia. It is the largest species amongst the wild cattle. This is an American black bear. You'll see the difference between the moon bear and sloth bear. The Asiatic black bear is also called a moon bear. It is a medium-sized bear species native to Asia that is largely adapted to life in the trees. It lives in the Himalayas in the northern parts of the Indian subcontinent. They have a distinct white patch on the chest, which is sometimes in the shape of a V. The sloth bear. It's a native species to the Indian subcontinent. It feeds on fruit, ants and termites. It uses its long lower lip and palate for sucking up insects. This is an African elephant. The Indian elephants are following next. The Asiatic elephant is distributed throughout the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, from India in the west, Nepal in the north, Sumatra in the south and to Borneo in the east. It is the largest living land animal in Asia. It is primarily threatened by loss of habitat, habitat degradation, fragmentation, and poaching. In general, the Asian elephant is smaller than the African bush elephant and has the highest body point on the head. The back is convex or level. The ears are small with dorsal borders folded laterally. Female Asian elephants usually lack tusks. They sometimes have tushes, and these are barely visible and only seen when the mouth is open. Subscribe and like if you like wild cats and wild animals. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.